Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we have this red, but still we are in the super uptrend. Okay, super strong uptrend in USDJPY. And I think in my last week video I told you that we're gonna take down this high anyway. Okay, so first TP is this and second TP is this. We all know that now by now if you watch my videos. Okay, so we're gonna go for this high, baby. Nobody can stop from the nobody can stop us from taking this profit. Okay, so we just have to be careful that in between the pullback will happen, and in pullbacks you will lose money if you don't trade safely. Okay, coming back to daily time frame, done. Okay, so we can't trust USDJPY for counter trade right now. So I'm not looking for shorts. Okay, coming back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are going through the EMI. Okay, so the price is in between the EMI. We are not looking for trades right now. Never. Okay. So coming back to daily time frame, daily, right? I think we will come down. Okay, so look for longs in USDJPY, but in 4 hour, if this candle is eaten by the coming, for now it's giving the rejection. Okay, so for now, if you come back to 4 hour and you see here, we have a rejection. You see this wick in this blue candle wick. So the rejection means now the price might carry on going down for some time. That's what it means for short term. Okay, but my long entry will be if this previous red candle is eaten by the next blue candles. Okay, so if this candle is eaten, engulfed, then only I'll enter long. Okay, so in broad context, I'm only looking for long position in USDJPY, but because I have done analysis on USD CAD, GP, USD, Euro, USD, go and watch those analysis first, because based on that, dollar might be going down. So if dollar is going to go down, we might come down in USDJPY as well. But still, I will not prefer taking counter trade in USDJPY. I would rather wait for long setup in USDJPY. Okay, these high volatility pairs such as USD CAD and this USDJPY, when dollar comes in the uptrend, don't do the mistake of taking counter trades in USDJPY and USD CAD. Okay, that's my tip. That's all for you. So wait for this engulfing blue candle to go up. So that's it, and keep looking at the charts and join my Telegram, join the brokers, everything. And if you get the software, you can get it. Otherwise, it's okay. It's me who has created the software. Okay, so if my brain works, then I have transferred my brain into the software. Anyways, we have discussed all that in the beginning. Okay, so subscribe, like, share. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.